Before we get to the original video, which is my Get Ready With Me video, I just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Over the next 2 weeks, Christmas and New Year's is going to be in full force. I've decided to take those 2 weeks off. I'm not going to be recording anything. I wanted to spend time with my family and friends and just take a break, relax, and reset myself for the coming year. I have a lot of new projects coming in the new year. Lots of fun stuff that I'm planning on putting up on YouTube. I just wanted to mention, do not forget about the upcoming giveaway, which will be in this corner here. Please go check that video out because it has all the rules you need to enter for that giveaway. I did mention that I will be drawing the names on December 31st, which I will be, but I will be getting in touch with those people first before I announce it on here and on Instagram. So just know that I will be getting in touch with them first. Until I get in touch with all 4 people, I won't be announcing it on my social media until I get that done. Let's head over to the Get Ready With Me video and the program already in progress. Hi everybody and welcome to this week's video. I'm going to do a Get Ready With Me. I have a very special dinner date tonight. It's my son's birthday and the whole family's going out to celebrate. So I thought I might as well do a Get Ready With Me because I am getting ready for that supper. Before we get started, you know the drill. Subscribe, hit the bell. It helps me out a lot. Don't forget to also hit that like button. I love it when you do that, so definitely do that. Okay, now let's get to this video. Some of the stuff that I'm using today is actually from my Boxycharm that I got in November, I think it was. So the first thing I'm going to try is the Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Stem Cell Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Yeah, anything that has anti-wrinkle eye treatment, I'm all for that. This is my problem area, and of course I'm getting older, so yeah. So we're going to try it. I know I got this in November, but I've been so busy with Christmas and my other things that I've been doing, I just didn't have time to actually try it. So I'm going to try it today. Okay, so that's it there. Excuse my nails. I know they're bad. Okay, and it says Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution. So what you're supposed to do, oh, that's different. Look at that. That's different. Okay, so how am I supposed to do this? Oh, I guess I'm supposed to, okay, so I'm supposed to press it down. The product comes out here. You're supposed to put it all over, massage it in, and then massage it, pat it all in with your fingertips after. So let's give this a try. I just don't want it to come off on my... Okay. I don't want it to land on my computer. Okay, so there we go. So there it is coming out there. Okay. I'm going to put it on my eye. I'm supposed to put it here. Ooh. So it says round your, under your eye. So this is my problem area right here. Now I have already moisturized. I like to get that out of the way, but I haven't got anything else on yet. I am hoping I don't have some kind of weird allergic reaction or something. I should actually have tried this before I decided to go out for supper. Well, it feels pretty good. That's an interesting applicator, you know? Okay, now you're supposed to take and just press the rest of it in with your fingers, with your fingertips until it's completely absorbed. It's usually not my skin that has an allergic reaction. It's normally my eyes. That's pretty much absorbed. That's done. Okay, so like I said, I've moisturized already. The product I am going to use, that I use all the time, is my oil of Olay. I'm going to mix that with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This one is in 320N. Still working really good for me as far as I can tell. It's still really working good for me. So I'm going to do like I normally do. It's winter time, so I always mix it with a little bit of my moisturizer just to put on that first layer of foundation. Very important. All right, now for the foundation. Just move that back a bit. So how is everybody doing? Are you guys all ready for Christmas? I am all ready for Christmas. I usually start in January. I start in January. I get a lot of my shopping done then because everything is on sale. The only problem I'm having with that is that I forget after a while that I have all this stuff. And this year, when I pulled a lot of it out, I actually forgot to put it in the presents for people. So I had to go reopen presents to put the stuff in there because I'd forgotten I bought it. So if you're going to start that early Christmas shopping, definitely be organized. I am not organized. I have to be organized this year because, yeah, that's not fun. Now, one of the things I got was from my Boxycharm last month it's called Pretty Vulgar. That is really an interesting name, Pretty Vulgar. It's undercover lightweight concealer. So that's what it came in. So we're going to give it a try. I think you open it like that. Yes, you open it, you bend it. Never tried this. I hate opening this. It's got little white lies for fair skinned, tiptoe over the line, light to medium skin, the middle ground for medium skin, and midnight mystic for rich skin. Okay, so I'm either going to be fair or light to medium. I'm just going to look in my mirror here to see. I think I'm going to try the medium. I don't like going too light when it comes to concealer. I just find I look like a ghost. I don't want to look like a ghost. So we're going to try we're going to try the light to medium. So that's the tiptoe over the line. I've never heard of this company, Pretty Vulgar. It's the first time I heard of them. So we'll see. I still like my Tarte Shape Tape. That one beats all so far against all the other ones I've tried. Still love that one. So I'm just going to take a little fingertip worth of that one there, and we'll give it a try. See how it feels, see how it wears. It is very thick formula. It's got a medium thick I don't know why I can't say that word, consistency, which I am totally fine with. I don't like it to be too, concealer to be too watery because I find that it's too, like it doesn't cover the way it's supposed to. But for my skin, being that it's more mature skin, yeah, I like that type of consistency, so. And it feels really good. There's no scent to it at all. I always put my concealer on with my fingers, always, just to give it the best natural look I can. You want to have the most natural look, specifically for mature skin. Do it with your fingers. That didn't sound right. I actually like that one. That color matches me perfectly. The only problem is I wish they'd put them in, containers that you could close up again. Okay, there we go. I am dropping stuff today. There we go. Now it'll stay closed. All right, I was going to use my Tati Beauty palette, but I thought I should try something new, and I did get this in my Boxycharm, and I haven't actually used it yet, so let's try it out. That's Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. There's the palette there. And I believe this is the small one. I believe she has the big one. This is the mini. I'm just going to take this thing out of here. So this is the mini one, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe it is. And that's it there. I'm going to do like I always do and use my MAC Painterly Paint Pot for my lids. This day is going to be really strange because I'm doing this look in the morning. I know I'm going to be very busy this afternoon and possibly need to run out. Dee is working on the grader, so he's probably going to need me to come out, bring him fuel and stuff. So I'm doing my makeup look first. Then I'm going to go feed and water my horses. Then I'm going to go out and deliver the fuel. I hope, I think that will be a good wear time test for all this makeup. All right, so we're going to do a look with this. Now, I don't really see a good transition color, so I'm going to try Lunar Eclipse. I don't know. Let me take a little. So this one's Zero Gravity, this one here, and this one is Lunar Eclipse. Oh, so they're pretty powdery. This one is Lucid Dream. That one's actually quite nice too. Maybe I'll do that one. Because I could do that one, darken it up with Zero Gravity, and then go in with Eternal Light, because I want to do like this one here, Eternal Light. You can see Eternal Light there. My camera's showing it good enough to do the bright inner corner. So I think we'll do that. Maybe what I'll do is I'll move you forward a little bit just so you can see what I'm doing here. Hopefully. There we go. I can tell you already a lot of payoff with this color, so I'm going to have to really blend it and go in with a light hand. Let's look at that already. I decided on the pinks and the purples because one thing I know is that with my skin tone, pinks and purples are just my color. I love greens, I love blues, and I love the browns, but pinks and purples, I don't know, they just always work out for me. I shouldn't say that now because this one won't work out for me. So far with this color alone, it is definitely Dominant Cosmetic formula, which I like. She actually has a really nice formula. It blends beautifully. So I'm just going to blend the upper so that it's no harsh line. Because I'm noticing like as you blend it, it does get lighter, so it's okay. I think I'm going to go back in with a little bit more just to bring more color into that. I think I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use my Morphe M441 for that. It's just a little bit fluffier. It's not bigger, like in any way. This is the Morphe brush, and as you can see, like it's not quite as dense as my Jeffree Star brush. So I'm just going to use that one just to blend that out a little bit more because I want to add a little bit more to the corner. That is a really pretty color. Look at how beautifully that blends. I'm going to use my E25 brush by Sigma. That's my favorite one for putting the darker colors in to the corner of my eye. And I'm going to go in with Zero Gravity. So we will see how much that darkens it up. There's Zero Gravity there. So we would try that one. I could even go in with Black Matter. But see, that one's a shimmer. Like Black Matter, that's it there. And it's a shimmer, so I don't know. I could do that. Look who it is! His name is Wilson. I babysit him on occasion. So he comes to stay with me. Oh my goodness. If I could steal him, I would. He is so cute. Okay, back to makeup. I'm going to go in with Black Matter. This one here. It is a shimmer, but I'm thinking it'll be probably all right because I'm going to put lashes on, so we'll try. I have to darken this up a little bit more. Maybe this one's not going to be dark enough for me. And I'm just making a mess now. It doesn't seem to be darkening up at all. Like, it looks dark on my finger, but it won't pick up on the brush. Not too bad. I can fix that up after. Okay, I'll go in with my Tarte. This one here is Clay Play, and I'm going to go in with the black from, that one. I need it to be darker, just a little bit darker. All right, my camera turned off. I don't know what happened. I am so sorry. I went with Eternal Light, this one here, that one, and then just did the inner corner of my eye. I don't want a super, super glittery look tonight. It's just a nice family supper with family and my son's birthday. So I just want a really very, I don't know how you'd say that, a soft look tonight. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, finish the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Here is my finished look. Sorry about Puppy. He won't leave me alone today. This is the first time we've seen each other in many, many months. So he's like, please put me on your lap and never let go. I'm really happy about it. And it actually matches my sweater pretty nice. The only one I didn't like in the Celestial Thunder was Black Matter, and that was this particular one here. I am going to try it with a wet brush and with my finger, just see how it performs. I will let you know below if it worked any better. But all in all, I do like the palette, and I'm glad I've got it. The rest of the mattes were amazing. This here, the Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution, actually, I didn't have any reaction, so I know that there's not a lot of heavy chemicals in this one. So I will try to keep using it. I really did like this applicator. Is actually pretty good. I liked it. It was very comfortable on my eyes. I will use it along with my jade roller because I do like my jade roller a lot. It's very cooling. But this one is good. Again, I got this one with my Boxycharm. The Undercover Pretty Vulgar Concealer, I did like it. It's very easy to use, not too much creasing. I do have mature skin, so here is always a bit of an issue with any type of concealers or foundation. So I always got to be really careful what I put under my eyes because I don't like to bring out the creases if I can help it. And this one didn't do that. So that's it for my Get Ready With Me look today for my beautiful supper that's coming up. I don't think I overdid it too much. This is something I would wear also for Christmas, like if I was going out for a Christmas party or something. I don't like to go way overboard on looks. I'm going to get out of here now. It's time for me to go and get all my other stuff done, and my dogs are barking. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.